Welcome to part 2 of the Samsung Galaxy Ace2 take apart. We're putting it back together now. I already put the two-way tape on the frame. So we're going to be putting the digitizer back on. I finally got it in the mail. So blow all the dust off the screens, off the digitizer and off the LCD. Make sure not to put fingerprints on either one. Feed the connector through gently and attach the top part of the digitizer. Don't put it all down yet because we're gonna get all the rest of the dust that might have built up in there off first. So before completely pushing it down, blow some air through, get the dust out, any specks that might be left inside. Then quickly push it down. Make sure the home button comes out properly and it's clickable. Push down, not too hard around the edges. Make sure the home button clicks. Okay. Now we're gonna flip it over and put the motherboard in and everything else. So, first thing you do is you attach the connector. It goes underneath the motherboard. Before you flip the motherboard down, like I just did, plug in the digitizer to the slot. It's underneath the motherboard, so don't put the motherboard down before doing this. It just slides in and then the clip comes down. Okay. Make sure it's in all the way. Plug in the headset connector and whatever is up here at the top. Make sure the power button flex is attached firmly to the side and put in this little black screw, goes at the bottom of the phone on the motherboard. And I messed up there and I thought that was the hole for it, but it's not. There we go. Then we're going to put the speaker assembly back on. Just goes right into place, clicks into place, and the connector plugs in. And we're going to take the back plate and gently put it on. Give it a quick test here. Make sure power's on, make sure the touchscreen works. Clean it off a little bit here. Okay, now we're going to put all the screws in. Fast forward this part a little bit. Okay, make sure all the buttons work. Toss the back cover back on, clip it in, power it on. Again, fully tested. Make sure everything works. I'm going to apply some heat to the screen here. Quite a bit of heat actually. Make sure you get it nice and hot. Don't melt the home button and don't go too close to the screen. Apply quite a bit of heat. I've already tested the touchscreen so I know it works. But after you put the heat on, we're going to put this cloth over it and put some clamps around the edges. This is just going to ensure that the two-way tape bonds pretty good to the glass and the frame. This step can be skipped if you don't have the time to do it, but honestly, if you want to do it properly, do this. This will prevent dust from getting in and it'll just seal it better. And just let it sit there for about 20 minutes. Thanks for watching.